Assalamualaikum, respected teachers and beloved friends. So this is me, Amir Safwan from the batch PET 109 of Well-Known English Language Center, Bangladesh. And today we have the privilege of presenting a dialogue on Ramadan. And this is my partner.
Hello, Assalamualaikum. This is Mim 2009. I'm from famous English language center, Bangladesh. My best number is PET 109. So let's get started.
Hi Tassam.
Hi Safwan.
How are you?
I'm very fine. Can I ask you some questions?
Sure.
Which month is Ramadan? Which month is Ramadan in the Islamic calendar?
In Islamic calendar, Ramadan is observed as the 9th month of the Islamic calendar. What do we celebrate after Ramadan?
We celebrate Elcbd after Ramadan. How do we spend time in this month?
We spend time in this month by reciting the Holy Quran and praying to Allah. Is this month best for seeking forgiveness from Allah?
Yes, this is the best month for seeking forgiveness from Allah. Is there any special night called Laylatul Qadr in this month?
Okay, yes, there is a special night called Laylatul Qadr. We pray a lot during this night. At midnight, what do we wake up for?
We wake up for a Sehri. Do you like Ramadan?
Yes, I like Ramadan very much. Do you like Eid al-Fitr?
Yes, I like Eid al-Fitr very much.
Thank you for answering my questions.
Thanks for answering my questions.
And that's all for today. Thank you for listening to me patiently. See you soon with a new topic. Bye bye.
Bye.